Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 in an LT trim and powered by a 6.6-liter Duramax Turbodiesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Coming with a bull bar and some lights mounted up front. You've got running step bars down below. You have heavy-duty mud flaps on the front and rear tires. Vent shades on the windows, a soft top tonneau cover to keep your belongings covered and protected from the elements, and box side rails, so you have quite a few accessories on the outside. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And then in the middle you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having two more down here with a 12-volt power outlet and rear media controls. And then looking at the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 270,949 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left, you have your cruise controls. And then up to the left of your cluster, you have your buttons to cycle through your information displays, such as your trip mileage, distance to empty, fuel economy, trip timer, transmission temperature. You have your trailer brake controller down here, and then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which let's see here. It is radio, CD, auxiliary, and I believe Bluetooth capable, as well as SD, so you do have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to. It does also have a navigation function, which is compatible with certain things, and then can be set up with a backup camera so you can see where you're going. But then moving on from that, you have your climate controls here with dual zone front climate, so you can stay at different temperatures and remain comfortable. Then you have two 12-volt power outlets here, so you can plug something in. You have your sprayer button, or heated sprayer button. And then to the left, you have your 4x4 controls, and on the right, you have a cubby. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul mode button at the end of the stalk there. Moving on, you have your big center console area here with cubbies and two cup holders, and then your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside, also including another 12-volt power outlet in there. And then, I believe last but not least, you do have a power moonroof up top so you can let in the sunshine, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.